Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here. And I got my second video for the wagon group build with Kevin for 26. I forget what his last name is, but forgive me on that. But I got paint on the kit number 1 so far. So this is going to be my meter made PT Cruiser. Kind of like a volunteer type thing where they just kind of stick the emblem or the magnet on the car. So it's done in a nice Maya silver color. Did the bumpers in the silver also. So it looks kind of classy. And the rims. Then I got the interior parts. This is the back hatch part and steering wheel. The seats were done in I think this is a rubber black, as they call it. It may change. Hey! So this is the door panel. Sorry guys, I was talking to my cat over here. Licorice, chewing on plastic again. That little putty cat. So this is the right door panel I did. Here's the left one. This is just going to be a parking meter car. It's not going to need the cage and stuff. So, just going to be a simple build, but, with a little flair. And here's the dash. No detail yet. So, of course, here's the floor of it. And I have one more update for y'all. Let me put this up. And, also the mirrors for it. So, we got that. Yeah, guys, and for the second update, if you know that hood, you know which one I'm working on. That's the Pontiac Banshee right there. First part, I got the interior done, built, and installed into the car. I got to redo. I know it sounds kind of petty, but let me get them out. Now, all these parts I'm about to show you. All these parts. Let's see. All these red parts, as I'm pulling them out, you'll see, are darker than the body. So I'm thinking I might have to use a white primer on these when I get back to painting them and redo the red paint on them. But other than that, we have a chassis almost all built. Got the rear end with the frame rails on there. Got to put the shocks and the upper control arms in there and the radiator and the engine. And speaking of the engine, it's all ready to go. Just needs a little bit more detail. So that's ready to go. And, well, guys, that's my update for Wednesday. So let me clean up my bench here, and then I'll see you guys Thursday night.